This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Gay. Welcome home. This bright and airy home is ready for you to move right in. With just over 2,300 living square feet, this open floor plan with split bedrooms can be just the home you are looking for. As you enter through the front door, you are greeted by a 14 foyer with a direct view to the lake. The sliding glass doors provide unobstructed views with plenty of lighting to the entire living area. The kitchen and living areas provide the perfect entertaining space, with an extended kitchen island and buffet. Everyone is included while the chef is at work, and the chef doesn't have to miss a minute of game time. The master suite hosts a large bedroom area, 2 generous walk-in closets, a large bathroom with 2 sinks, a large shower with dual shower heads, a linen closet, and a water closet. The guest suite, located on the opposite side of the home, yessir, hosts 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. The den, located near the powder room, contains double doors for added privacy. Plenty of room for a growing family, a multi-generational family, or those visiting guests. Why wait for new construction when this, almost, new, not too big and not too small home is ready for you? Some of the many upgrades/improvements include Core Fill 500 in exterior CBS walls, HVAC UV light, roller shades, Level 2 tile, Level 2 kitchen cabinets, Level 2 kitchen countertops, seamless master shower enclosure west/dual shower heads, gas range, and much more. For more information, review the details below.